This is Sony HTX 8500 soundbar. This gear deserves your attention. This is 2.1 channel soundbar with built-in subwoofer with 2 center speaker and also speakers to the side and this end. This gear is also with Dolby Atmos. You can connect this to your TV via optical, HDMI and Bluetooth. Optical cable is included in the packaging, so I'm going to show you how to connect this soundbar. So go to Bluetooth device and search for available device. Scroll down, you can see HTX 8500 series. Select on it and Bluetooth request, select pair. And it's connected. If you look on the soundbar, you can see a blue light, steady blue light. So this soundbar now is connected. So we're going to test the audio using Epidemic Sound. This is the audio. Select music. So you can use the remote. this soundbar, you can hook it up via Bluetooth, HDMI, EAC, and optical cable. What I want to do is to show you how to hook this soundbar up. But before we do that, we're just gonna do some measurements for this soundbar. From this end to this end is 89 centimeter, and from here this end is 9.5 centimeter. So this soundbar, here is the remote control. With remote control, you can select the input and also select visual surround system, cinematic mode, auto sound, music, voice, and night mode. So you can select various mode. You can also select the bars. Okay, to connect this to using optical cable to your TV is what you are going to do. Okay, and first of all, you need to make sure unplug the soundbar. I like this soundbar. You can see it got a bit of iron steel features at the back. Okay, and you can see what it looks like. Very powerful, solid. Got two center speaker here, and also another speaker here, and also here. Okay, so you got speaker this end and this end, and two center speakers. And this also got two subwoofer, inbuilt subwoofer. To hook this up using optical cable is included in the packaging, but if you want to connect it with HDMI, then you need to buy the cable separate. Okay, so this optical cable goes in. Okay, you see optical, TV optical, TV in optical. Okay, and it's in. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to set this up to TV. So I'm going to do this using LG TV. Okay, so take this end to optical and this in. Okay, so push it to optical. This is audio optical. Okay. Now the next thing we need to do is to connect the TV to the socket.
Very good. It's two. Normal volleyball leg hits.
So this is the TV audio. Okay. Now what we need to do is we need to switch the soundbar on. So switch the soundbar on. Okay, so now I'm going to switch the soundbar on. I'll plug the soundbar to the socket. Okay, so plug the soundbar onto the socket. Okay, and the light is on. Okay, the next we need to do is use the, so plug it on. Okay, and the light is on. Okay, now it's showing Bluetooth. So use the input to select. This is TV. Okay, so now it's in TV. Okay, so when you put it optical, you need to select TV. Okay, now then we need to go to the TV settings, scroll down to the speaker, select speaker, scroll to the side and look for optical, select on it. This is the audio.
You could be one of our 60,000 winners every week. It's totally free to play with no deposit or wagering requirements.
This is the audio.
Come join the fun for free.
So this is how to hook this up. Okay, now you can see it's got, you need to select it, go back again to the TV, use the input, make sure you select TV. This is the audio. This is the audio. Add this soundbar to your TV using HDMI cable. You need to go to HDMI. Okay, you can see HDMI EAC, and it will show you. If you look on the soundbar, you will see the first one is optical. Now the one to this side is HDMI in. Now the second one HDMI out. So we need to use HDMI out. Okay, so take the cable, push it inside, go in to HDMI out. It's inside it. Then the next thing we need to do is, while you are doing this, make sure the soundbar is unplugged, switched off. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is we need to turn the TV around. Okay, so put the soundbar to unplug the soundbar and TV. So use the other cable to go to HDMI to EAC. HDMI to EAC, push it inside. So go to HDMI into EAC, and it's in. Okay, so this is how to hook this up. Now we need to turn the TV around. So to turn the TV around, plug it on. Also plug the socket for the soundbar. So remember to put the TV antenna. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to switch the soundbar on. So the soundbar is on. Once you switch the soundbar on, put it to TV. Okay, so use the input to select TV, or if you select the input again, you move away from TV to HDMI ARC. HDMI. Now go to this TV. Okay, and this is the audio. Okay, so this is the audio. Now this is the so this is the audio. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to go to the settings, scroll down to the sound, then for you to see that this is HDMI ARC device. Okay, so you can see, if you look here, you see it's HDMI ARC device. So, and this is the soundbar. I don't want to increase the volume. If I increase the volume, sometimes YouTube will say that it's copyright issue. So this is the reason why I'm just leaving the volume so low, so that but this is how to hook this up. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this soundbar to your TV via Bluetooth. And to do this, we need to switch the soundbar on. Okay, switch the soundbar on. Once you switch the soundbar on, the next thing you need to do is use the input to select Bluetooth. Okay, select Bluetooth, and when you select Bluetooth, it will change. Keep an eye on top of the soundbar. The Bluetooth will be highlighting. At the moment it's not, so we need to select BT. Bluetooth is highlighting, blue color is showing here, and this is to show you now is in Bluetooth mode. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to go to the switch the TV on. Just gonna move this from here. This is the TV volume. This is the volume
and hilarious.
For the TV.
All 9 series of The King of Queens are available to stream now on all 4.
This is the TV volume. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is we need to go to the TV settings. Use the remote control, select your TV settings. Okay, when you select TV settings, scroll down to the sound out is showing us TV, but you need to select on it. Okay, now use the side arrow, use the side button to go to Bluetooth, and this is the Bluetooth. Now use the down arrow to select, down button to select device. So what it's doing now is looking for available Bluetooth device, and it picked up HTX 8500 series. So once you is in Bluetooth mode, you select Bluetooth and it pick it up. So select connect. So now it's connecting. It's connecting. It's connected. Okay, so this soundbar now is connected.
Next, the drama premiere Murder.
This is the audio. So this is the audio.
18 in just one phone call. Cover today and the only over 50s life insurer with no waiting.
So with this you can also select music. Can select music, can also select visual, cinema, voice, night.
Something much more interesting.
So this is how to hook this, how to connect this to TV.